Okay, hello, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Zach, and if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for coming again another time. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking a bit about how to deal with losses in forex trading. We all know that losses are a very necessary part. Once you are trading, there is no strategy that can ever guarantee you 100% wins all the time, but you have to actually have a way to deal with these losses, because if you don't, they may actually affect your winning mentality in forex, and you might never ever win or actually make consistent profits in forex, or worst case scenario, you might actually quit trading. Now, is trading a very good or rather a good venture? Yes, trading is a good venture, although it carries a very significant level of risk. Let no one lie to you that will come to trading and start making millions right away. Yes, there are people who are lucky, but I don't want to call it lucky per se. It's just some people get the right mentorship at the right time from the right people. If you are not having these right people by your side, say you're just trading on your own, you are not in a community or so, it can be a little bit hard for you to actually focus and get the tiny details right in forex trading. So the first thing that you have to do when dealing with losses in trading is that you need to have your mindset right. Just know that whatever happens, losing is actually a necessary step in trading, and it is unavoidable. You will experience losses at times, that is for sure, but you also have to know that there are times that you are going to experience wins. So when you are winning, you don't get too excited, because that is what will lead you to losing faster than anything else. Once you start winning, you need to ensure that you have your mindset in check, in that you are not overconfident, because once you start becoming overconfident is when you start losing in the market. Okay, so that is number one about how to protect your wins from affecting your trading plan. I don't know if it makes sense, but basically I'm just saying overconfidence is actually a pitfall in forex trading, because once you start thinking that you're too good, you know the market too well, it's when you start experiencing losses. The market will hit you time and again, and you'll be wondering where this is coming from, but it's because you had a trading strategy, a trading plan that you didn't follow. Maybe your plan is to risk 1 to 3% per trade, and then on this particular time you felt overconfident, you now risk double. So if you are risking 3%, you started risking 6%, and before you know it, you've taken 3 losses. You're minus 18% in negatives. So that is what will affect you to starting to think that forex is a scam, but in actual sense you are winning, and then you let the wins get to your head instead of following your plan to the latter. So that is one thing. Wins can also affect and lead you into making serious losses. So you need to control your appetite for risk. You need to control your greed. Don't risk for certain percentages once you start making it, once you start having that winning streak. In trading, there's going to be winning streaks and there's going to be losing streaks as well. So you need to ensure that once you are having those winning streaks, you keep on following your strategy as per the plan. Keep on risking as per the plan. Everything that you do, let them align with your trading plan. Okay, so something else that will also affect you is if you are on a losing streak. You know, when you've taken one trade, it has been a win, 2 trades a win, the 3rd trade is a loss, the 4th trade is a win, the 5th trade a loss, 6th is a win, 7th is a win. That is perfectly okay, because it's a mixture of balance. You know, a good strategy, they always say that it has to win 50% of the times, or even 40-50% of the times. But when you are winning, what actually justifies your wins is the fact that you need to be gaining at least 2 times your risk or 3 times your risk. So if you are in a position where you are risking $100 to make $100, that is a problem, because you are going to make losses, and then they'll affect you, because you'll not have that edge. You need an edge whereby if you are losing 1, you are making 2 times whatever you are risking. If you are risking 1, you should be making 2. If you are risking $100, you should be making $200. So that in 10 trades, if you win 4 trades, each making $200, that will be $800. You lost 6 trades, each risking $100, you'll still end up with a profit of about $200. But you need to just ensure that you are actually having a good strategy with an edge. At least 1:2 minimum, but 1:3 or 1:4. Actually, normally always recommend a 1:2 for beginners and a 1:3 if you know how to trail your stop loss. Trailing stop loss basically means that once your trade has gone into profits, the more it moves, the more you adjust your stop loss to some level, so that you at least make sure that you are booking some profits on what you've already made, so that in worst case scenario, if the market decides to reverse, you won't lose entirely every profit that you were making. Okay, so that is another thing. The third thing that you need to do to deal with losses well is you need to be taking breaks from trading when you're in a losing streak. Say you've taken like 5 trades and all of them have been losses. It is advisable that you step back for even a week. If you are trading on a live account, this is the time you can go and trade on a demo account. The weekend preceding the week that you'll be going to trade a demo account, you need to go back to your trades and review the trades that you took. If possible, if you are journaling and you are taking screenshots, or you can go back to the market and look where you entered the trades. Go and look at, did you follow your strategy, did you follow your consequences? Go and review, because it's normally those little mistakes that you might not notice that will recur in future. So whatever you do in the past, you have to make sure that in future you don't repeat the same mistakes. That's why it's important to revisit your losses and actually look at what you did wrong. Okay, and then the last thing that you have to do to deal with losing streaks, not losing streaks per se, but you have to deal with losses, is actually being in a community of positive uh, mindset. Let your community members be inspiring, let them talk positivity. Don't sit around people who are going to be telling you that forex trading is a scam. Those negative mindsets or mentalities are what will cause you to actually continue losing, because if in your mind you think that forex is a scam, even if you make one loss, you start saying that no, forex is a scam, and you'll never see the positive side of this thing, actually speaking, because there are days that you'll have losing streaks, and that is normal. Just ensure that when you have like maybe say 4 losing streaks, 4 losing trades, that is a losing streak, or 5 losing trades, that is a losing streak, you can sit back, go back, reset, refocus, and just take time to review your previous trades and go back to a demo account, start executing the trades on a demo account and see, okay, you're getting it right. Then that is when you can go back to your trading live trading account and execute more trades. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video, please hit that like button. Also subscribe, so that this channel also gets to reach other people who are finding information of value like this. So let's hold each other. Let's ensure that we get the trading results that we actually are aiming for. So I wish you nothing but the best. Stay focused, and one day you're going to make it. Peace.